How to change your EBT card number on Instacart. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in today's guide video I will simply guide you through the steps on how you can change your EBT card number on Instacart, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to change your EBT card number on Instacart, all you have to do is first of all make sure to launch the Instacart application here. Then just make sure that you're signed into the account. You want to make sure to tap the three lines icon that is located at the top left hand corner of the screen. Once you've done that, if you look over here, you'll most likely find the option called account settings. So you want to make sure to tap on account settings, and then here you'll find the option called payment method, or else you can just tap on EBT snap info at the bottom. In case you don't find it, you can go to payment method here, and then here you'll find the option called EBT snap. So basically, if you've added your EBT card over here, most likely you should be able to find them, and if you've not added, you'll be able to find the add button. If you've added, then you can just tap the change button right next to it over here. Once you tap on the change option, you can enter the new card details that you want to, reconfirm the card details, tap the save option, and your changes will be successfully saved. That is it for today's video on how you can update your EBT card number on Instacart. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.